Hi everyone. Do you know what a credit memo does in Oracle Payables? Let's understand. Super simple. A credit memo is used when you want to reduce the amount you owe to a supplier. It's like the supplier giving you a refund or a discount. In short, the debit memo you create is for reducing supplier balance and while the credit memo is, it is issued by the supplier to you. So debit memo we created, whereas the credit memo is created by the supplier and issued to us. For example, you received goods worth 1 lakh, but found 10,000 worth products as irrelevant or damaged. Supplier issues a credit memo of rupees 10,000. You record it to reduce the balance payable. Let's see the navigation. Go to invoices, click on the task, click on create invoice. Here, mainly choose the type as credit memo. Okay. Firstly, select your business unit, select the correct business unit, then select your supplier. Same supplier as the original invoice. Okay, once you select the supplier number, supplier site, and legal entity will automatically populate. Now give the invoice number, supplier's credit memo number, whatever is given by the uh, supplier, you can use that. And here we'll put it as minus 10,000. Okay, so in the description, you can write it as credit for a damaged goods invoice. I'm giving it as invoice number 1234. Okay. So after doing this, you can adjust the payment terms as immediate or whatever is the payment terms. Then come to lines, add the credit line with details like, so here we'll put it as minus 10,000. You can give a code combination here in the distribution combination. You can expand it by clicking here and select the code combination, or you can select the distribution set. Anything is fine. As per the configuration done. Okay. After doing this, we have added the credit line with the details like line type, whether it is an item or expense. In the drop down, you can see it is a freight, miscellaneous, whatever it is, we'll select here, give the amount, the credit amount, and the distribution, same as the original invoice. Also, you can match the credit memo to the original invoice or purchase order if there is any purchase order. This ensures proper reversal of the expense and liability. Now save the invoice. To check the errors, we validate it. Yeah, it's not a duplicate. We know that. Click on validate after saving. Once you validate, the system will check if there are any errors. Then click on create accounting. So you see that it is validated. Click on invoice actions. Now post to ledger. Why do we do post to ledger? To generate the entries. So what is the accounting entry for debit memo and credit memo? If you want to see, you can click on view accounting. So it is the opposite of the standard invoice. Here, the liability is debited and item expenses credited. This reduces the supplier liability and reverses part of the expense. Okay. Liability debit. You can scroll down. Item expense credit. Okay. Click on done. Scroll down and click on done. And now that we have posted and save and close. Okay. So a credit memo is not paid. Instead, it's adjusted against the future invoices from the same supplier. It reduces the total payable amount during the payment processing. So it is used for returned goods, price reductions, overbilling corrections. Supplier issued a document to reduce the liability. That is called as a credit memo. You can validate it, match it, account it, adjust in the payments. So that's about the credit memo. Thank you, everyone.